Number Bonds Part 2 with Teacher Farah.
Today we're going to be talking about how two parts make up a whole. I have one whole garden. My garden is made up of two parts. It's made up of white flowers and pink flowers. To figure out how many flowers are in my whole garden, I'm going to start with counting my parts. First, I'm going to count how many flowers are in the white part of my garden. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 flowers in the white part of my garden. On my part whole mat, I'm going to fill in 5 white flowers. Then I'm going to count the other part of my garden. I have a pink part also. I have 1, 2, 3 flowers in the pink part of my garden. I'm going to fill that in my part whole mat. Now I can see that I have 5 white and 3 pink. To figure out how many are in my whole garden, I'm going to count both parts together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 flowers in my whole garden. When I put my 5 and my 3 together, I get my whole, 8. The two parts make up the whole.
Okay children, now let's redo this exercise together. We need to fill in the missing number in order to complete the number bonds. Now we have 2 parts here. Let me see how many we have in this part. Yes, 3. How many we have in this part? 0. So 3 and 0 make a whole 3. Very good. Now we need to write at here. 3 and 0 make 3. Good job, children. How about this one, children? How many we have in this part? 1. Good job. How many we have in this part? Let me count. 1, 2. Yes, good. 1 and 2 make a whole 3. Very good. So we need to write at here. 1 and 2 make 3. Okay, children. Now let's see here. How many we have in this part? 2. Very good. How many we have in this part? 0. Okay, now 2 and 0 make a whole 2. Very good. Now we need to write here. 2 and 0 make 2. Good job.